Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Lara Jane. So I am currently 37 weeks and 3 days pregnant as of today, which is June 26, 2021. And then next month, which is July 14, 2021, it will be my due date. So yeah, we're really ready to welcome this baby very soon. So in today's video, I'm going to show you the items that I got from Target. So it's all baby stuffs inside. It's for the baby and for the mother only. So I got all of these items for free. So it means I didn't pay anything. So later I'm going to tell you how did I get the items for free. But as of now, I will show you the stuffs or the items inside this bag. Alright? Okay, so let's open this now. Okay, so first one, I got this Pampers Swaddlers. So it's from Pampers. Yeah, that's the first one. Next is pacifier, I think. Yeah, anti-colic pacifier. And then I also got this thing, which is plant-based wipes for the baby. And then I also got this Haggis. Alright. And then another wipes. It's called water wipes. Next is breastfeeding samples inside. So there is breast milk storage bag and disposable nursing pads. Yeah, it looks like that. And then what else? And then I got this from Palmer's to avoid stretch marks, I think. And then the baby wash and shampoo. And then what else? I also got this Milk Flow. It's breastfeeding supplement. And then another wipes. It's called Boogie Wipes. And then what is this? Perfect for baby's first laundry or laundry detergent. And then I also got this Aquaphor healing paste. It's a diaper rash paste. And then what else? I also got this free baby bottle. That's the bottle. And then they also gave me this Johnson's baby lotion. Oops. And then that's it, guys. those are the free items or baby items that I got from Target. Okay guys, so how did I get these products for free? So what I did was I just went to the website of Target, and then I created a baby registry, and then you just have to fill out the form. You know, they will just ask the due date of the baby, how many weeks pregnant are you, you know, just those questions, just personal questions about yourself. And then yeah, that's it. You don't have to buy anything from Target, you don't have to order anything. You will just create the baby registry. And then I went to the store of the Target to pick this goodie bag from them. And then yeah, it's super easy. And then I received the goodie bag from Target. Okay, so I think that would be all guys for today. So thank you so much for watching and have a good day. Bye.